Today we're taking a look at the GVM SD80D video light, my new favourite light for doing macro videography. So GVM has sent over the new SD80D video LED light for me to take a look at. They have sent it to me free of charge. I do get to keep it after the review, however it doesn't influence my judgment on this light. This is a cob LED light that gives out good quality light at a CRI of 97. So for the price, you're really not going to go wrong with this light. And I want to get on to the number one thing that caught my eye about this light, and that is the size. Look at the size of this light. It's basically the size of my hand. That is absolutely brilliant. As you know, I use a small studio here for my YouTube and macro work. So anything that can save me space is an added benefit. So let's take a closer look at this light. It's a budget-friendly light and I have the Creator Bundle. This comes with the light, it comes with a light stand. It's not the best light stand, but if you don't have a light stand, it'll do in a pinch. And it also comes with a large soft box. Everything in the box that you need to create a YouTube channel or start doing any type of video. It's mostly made of plastic apart from the front here, which is metal because that's the heatsink for your light. And on the front, we have a Bowens mount. So it will take any light modifier that is a Bowens mount. Starting at the back, we have our selector button. This is a selector switch and a button. We have the DC in and we have our power on switch. You switch this to depending on what you're using, whether you're using DC or batteries. We have room for 2 Sony batteries on the side there. So if you want to be mobile, you can take batteries here and use this light. I'm going to use the DC in. And you can see there just how bright that is. Let's turn that down. So on the side, we have our LCD panel. You've got a battery indicator, which is a full pair because I'm using DC. If you had batteries in it to show you how much battery power is left. And you have your percentage of the power, as well as the color temperature. If we press the selector in, we can go up in instrumental upgrades. So we're going 10, 30, 50, 80, and 100. That's a quick way of getting it up in power if you want to. I prefer just to go up in 1%. My current light I'm using here is only set to 10%. I will put this light on there to see what it looks like for doing YouTube. Okay, we have different effects. And I'll be honest with you, I don't get these lights for the effects. I never use the effects. But if there's effects that you like, they are there for you. So we can use this knob to increase the power. And then, like I said, I like to increase it by 1%. Now if we hold that knob in for 2 seconds, it will give us access to the color temperature. So now we can adjust the color temperature. And it'll go from 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin. I set all my lights in the studio to 5600 Kelvin. So we're back to the power and we can increase it. Overall, it's a well capable light. It's budget friendly, which is great. The size is brilliant. So now I want to talk about what I've been using it for. So I've mostly been using it for macro videography. And here is the typical setup that I have for my macro videography. So we have our platypod. We have a scene, as I like to call it. In this case, it's a flare. We have a background card, and then on the side here we have a diffuser. So I have a key light this side, which is this main light, and then I have this light here, which is kind of a fill light that I can use if I wish to. So our subject goes on to the flare. We have our main light that's shining through this diffuser and it gives us some nice light. And it's been working brilliantly for that purpose. I absolutely love it. Now we have a fan in here, and I don't know if you can hear that. It's a fairly quiet fan. You ain't going to have no issues removing the noise from any video that you use this for. So it does come with an app to use with this light. I can't actually get mine to pair for some reason. Not a big deal since I don't actually use apps to control my lights. I prefer to control them from the knob. This is why I don't use apps with my lights, because it's too much hassle trying to log on to it. It really is. I mean, I can't even find the device, to be honest with you. So take a look at some of this footage here. This has been recorded using this light, using the exact setup I have just shown you. For a small studio where you want to film some macro video, this light is a brilliant solution. But what about if you actually want to start your own YouTube channel? Let's get this light up onto my rig here and let's turn it on along with the diffuser that it comes with and see what the quality is like for presenting a YouTube video. So again, this light comes with a Octabox softbox. It also comes with your standard reflector, and we are using it now to light me up. Now I do have several other lights. I've got an overhead light here, I have 2 lights to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off those lights just so you can see just the main light. So you can see what this is like if you were to start a YouTube channel and you wanted to up your game from natural light. So this is just the GVM SD80D. Now obviously you'll need some sort of reflector on this side. I use a tube light for that. Let me turn that back on. There we go. Again, it's an 80-watt light, and I am at 15% power on this light at 5600 Kelvin for this. So this whole kit, the creator kit, will cost you roughly $200 at time of this video. You'll probably find some sales somewhere to get it even cheaper. So $200, you get in a video light, you get in the stand, you also get in the software box. So if you are a budding video creator, you want to start your own YouTube channel, or like me, you just want to video your pets, this light is a great option. I shall leave a link in the description for you to go check out the light, check out the tech specs on the website if you wish to. Ask me any questions you want about this light, I will try to do my best to answer them, but that's where I shall leave this video. I want to thank GMV for sending me this light for review, and I want to thank you for watching this video. And again, my name's Stuart Wood. I'll see you on the next one.